Who are the black people? Who are the Africans? Who is Al-Keblan? Al-Keblan is not the European race. Al-Keblan is the mother of humankind. And that is my kind.
Wow. Let us come in, and before we can label as Al-Keblan tribe or the Al-Keblan, Africa was not a continent before. There's no way that a continent can be called Al-Keblan because we didn't have a continent. Now, before we can talk about Al-Keblan, which language is Al-Keblan? All people who are saying Africa was Al-Keblan, Africa was Al-Keblan, until you ask them which language is Al-Keblan, they start to scratch their head. Why? Because Al-Keblan, the word Al-Keblan does not exist in any 54 countries. All languages spoken in 54 countries in Africa, the word Al-Keblan does not exist. And they try to propose the Aramic and say maybe it can be Aramic, Al-Keblan. But when we go to Aramic and we realize that Al means they in English, which we cannot say the Bulan. And this is something that does not exist. We cannot say Al-Keblan means the Garden of Eden without the trace of geographical location in this continent where we can say, yeah, this is where the Garden of Eden was. And some smoke weed and say South Africa was the Garden of Eden. And the Garden of Eden, we don't have such location. And number two, they say Al-Keblan means the land of the black, or the origin of... How do we have one word translated into the Garden of Eden? Number two, it means the land of the black. Number three, it means when nature originates. And this name, we cannot find it. We cannot find a language that talks about. So clearly it's madness of us African trying to escape the word Africa because it's a colonizer's name. And we are escaping to confusion again because the word Al-Keblan does not have a language. And anything that does not have a language does not exist. And go and do your research. Google, if you have to Google, you will realize that the word Al-Keblan does not exist. We never had a continent called Al-Keblan. We didn't have a continent until the Europeans come and conquer. That is where now we have a continent. We never had a continent. We never had a continent. Even countries, the name of the countries, you will realize that we didn't have some names of the countries until the white people came to Africa. So follow me to learn more and to unlearn lies.